We're gonna. Good job. Make sure you get all of them.
Where are you? Are you in there?
It's all right. Keep going. We got a magnet. We can get them. Keep going.
Is someone here?
No.
Oh, that's... Hey, he's pulling into our grass.
That's all right. Keep going on what you need to do there. Get all the nuts off. Got to get these rocker boxes off. Make sure you're on there right. Remember, no stripping. You got them all? What about the one in the middle? See the deep one in the middle? Right. Oh, you already got it. Good for you.
Yeah, but it's in.
Oh, that's the one that fell? That's okay. We'll get it. That's a good job, though. We'll pull that oil line off, and then we can pull those rocker boxes clean off, okay?